Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my channel, The Witty Turtle. In the last video, we already revised about section 30 of your PGBP. तो उसमें क्या क्या पढ़ा था हमने कि जो रेंट, rates and taxes, insurance, and your current repair and your capital repair, these are allowed for owners and tenants in which respect, right? So इसमें सब कुछ allowed है, बस तीन चीज़ें not allowed है. So the first thing that is not allowed is rent for the owners, and the second is what? Capital repair is not allowed for both owner as well as your tenant, right? So today we are going to start with section 31 of your PGBP. So इसमें क्या बोला गया है? इसमें बोला गया है कि repairs and insurance of machinery, plant and furniture, right? This is a building, right? For example, this is a building in which the SSE is doing all the business stuff, right? But inside the building we need some plant and machinery to produce the product, and also some furniture for office staff, right? सो उनका जो रिपेयर होता है, उनका जो इंश्योरेंस कराया जाता है, क्या उसके लिए आपका उस पर जो आपको खर्चा लगता है, क्या वो एक्सपेंडिचर में अलाउड होगा और नॉट, दैट वी विल स्टडी टुडे. सो यहाँ पे भी वही सेम चीज़ें हैं. देर आर टू एस्पेक्ट्स, वन फॉर द ओनर एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ फॉर द टेनेंट, राइट? सो यहाँ पे जो इंश्योरेंस है, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी और जो भी आपका योर फर्नीचर है, उसका जो इंश्योरेंस है दैट इज़ अलाउड बोथ फॉर टेनेंट एज वेल एज फॉर ओनर. And for revenue repair is allowed both for tenant as well as for the owner. And also the capital repair is not allowed both for your owner as well as for the tenant, right? So these two are very similar to the previous provision. Now if you compare these two provisions, then you can understand that last provision में there was the concept of rent, but here it is not there, right? So कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, लॉ मेकर्स जब लॉ बनाते हैं तो वो लोग कोई चीज़ें भूल जाते हैं, और जो वो लोग भूल जाते हैं वो सेक्शन 37 में डाला जाता है. Whatever provision the lawmaker forget while making the law, they put it in which section? In section 37. So in section 37 it is written that your rent on your plant, machinery and furniture is allowed for the tenant only, right? And it is not allowed for the owner, obviously, because if the SSE is owning the plant and machinery and the furniture, then he need not pay the rent on that. So for that reason it is not allowed for the owner, but the tenant has to pay the rent, so it is allowed for the tenant, right? So a quick revision, क्या है? Rent, insurance, revenue repair and capital repair. So rent is not allowed for the owner and allowed for the tenant. Your insurance is allowed for both tenant as well as your owner. Next is your revenue repair is allowed for both tenant as well as your owner. And lastly, capital repair is not allowed for both owner and tenant, right? Now another concept is there कि यहाँ पे रिपेयर क्या होता है और रिप्लेसमेंट क्या होता है, राइट? रिपेयर क्या होता है? रिपेयर इज दैट किसी भी चीज़ का आप अगर एक छोटा सा पार्ट रिपेयर करते हो विच डज नॉट इंक्रीज इट्स कैपेसिटी, देन दैट इज नोन एज योर रेवेन्यू रिपेयर, और जिसको हम बोलते हैं नॉर्मल रिपेयर या रेवेन्यू रिपेयर, वो आपका आ जाएगा रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर में, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव एन एयर कंडीशनर इन योर होम, राइट? अगर आप उसका जो कंप्रेसर होता है या उसका कोई छोटा सा पार्ट है उसको अगर आप रिपेयर कराते हो, दैट इज नोन एज योर रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. बट इफ़ यू आर रिप्लेसिंग द इंटायर एयर कंडीशनर, आप पूरे AC को ही आप अगर रिप्लेस कर देते हो, उसके जगह पे नया AC लेकर आते हो, देन दैट इज नोन एज योर capital expenditure, right? So in case of machinery also, replacement of machinery is not allowed as it is a capital expenditure, but repairing of the machinery is allowed as it is a revenue expenditure. So that was it for today's video, and I really hope you have understood everything. And if you find this video helpful, then please share this with your CA final or CMA final students, and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon also.